All right, everyone, as BTC, as crypto's pumping to the upside here, we caught a nice bottom here. We are long over in Discord, and I'm going to show you guys how I expect this move to hit to the upside here. I mean, if you've been watching this channel, past couple videos, I have been bullish here, and I'm going to show you how I expect this move to proceed, what the wave structure is going to look like. Are we going to get a pullback here? We'll look at some trade opportunities for you in this video as well. This is Elliott Wave Theory, guys. If you watched my video a couple days ago, you know I was looking for this flat structure bottoming out here around where is it, 75, 76K. And that's about where we bottomed. Now, knowing the general direction, guys, is one thing. Knowing the move, having a good idea of where it's probably going to go is one thing. Getting into these leveraged positions and jockeying into a position is a totally different story, guys. Totally different story. Just because you have a good idea of where price is going to be going, jockeying into these positions, it's no small task. It takes skill. It takes risk tolerance, risk management. So many factors go into this. I did post the Solana trade here for the premium members. I posted BTC right here for the premium members, and we're doing it. We're doing it. So over on BitUnix, I'm long Solana. Blowfin, I'm long BTC, and they're both putting in a similar structure. This flat, and as you can see, this. I mean, I'm not messing around with this position. I mean, this. If this is the wave structure, and believe me, guys, I'm taking profit on the way up, but if this is the wave structure, we got a ways to go. And BTC putting in the same structure, this ABC flat situation. Now, in a flat, we have a correction up, correction down. It comes to or breaks the low. I'm looking for 5 waves up, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I have one wave completed. I can say that with some confidence. I have a nice ABC correction here. I can say that with some confidence. I don't want to go lower than this point. I really don't. We pushed up out of here quite nicely, and I want to stay up out of here. We can retrace slightly here, but I do want to hold this elevation and get a nice wave to cook to the upside, and then we could start to put in our 5 wave shape. Now, why do I have such conviction in this? If we look at time frames like the 8 hour, let's say, I mean, on BTC and on Solana, it's very evident. We do have some serious divergence, serious bullish divergence on these massive time frames, guys. This isn't on the 15 minute. This is on the 8 hour, the 12 hour. I mean, looking at Solana, same deal. 8 hour, bullish div. 12 hour bullish div. I mean, it's there. And call me crazy, guys. I'm looking to offload a good amount up in here around 160 on Solana, but I wouldn't be surprised if we get a jam like this. Like there's fib targets up here, guys, and we'll see where BTC is at as Solana pushes to the upside. But long story short, on BTC, I'm looking to take this sucker up to 100K. Looking for 5 waves up to 100K, like so. I want to come scoop this liquidity. If that does occur, I will see where Solana is at. I probably won't really offload Solana until I see this 5 wave structure on BTC. That's going to be my judgment call for where I'm going to close out my Solana position. And we're going to go over what happens after this move in a second here, guys. In 1 second. So bear with me. But this is the more immediate move I want to bring to your attention. Just a 5 wave impulse to the upside for a C leg in our flat. Now, guys, this is Elliott Wave. This is how I found success in trading. You guys can trade however you want. You guys can watch whoever you want. If you're finding success doing other things, more power to you, bro. Do that. But in my 8+ years of trading, this is the only thing that did it for me. So that's why I share this stuff with you. That's why I share this stuff. If you guys want help getting into these trades, because it's no small feat getting into these trades and servicing these trades. I do post all my trades in the premium Discord. You get $20 off your first month with code 20OFF. I'm doing it for this week only. A little special for you. So code 20OFF at checkoff. You get $20 off your first month of the premium Discord. Give it a try now if you want. So what happens after we get this move? We get this flat. Well, a couple things. A couple scenarios can play out. I've been very adamant on, hey, we can get an ending diagonal, something like this. I don't think we're going to get a blow off top on BTC, at least on BTC. If we come towards all-time high on BTC, I wouldn't be surprised to see alts have some kind of blow off top. Not every alt, obviously, but I'd be much more willing to say they will have that structure rather than BTC. I think BTC is just going to mosey its way on up, maybe take out all-time high one more time around 120K. My primary scenario right now, I'm looking for some kind of an ending diagonal, maybe get a nice little channel form into the upside, and put in our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Something like this. I really don't want this going much lower. I don't want this going any lower. Let me rephrase that. I don't want this going any lower to entertain this idea of hitting to the upside for one more all-time high. And if we do finish out this flat and end up kind of starting to push to the downside like so, yeah, we're in bear market territory. I think there's going to be a good short up around 100K. Either way you chop it up, if we are going to all-time high or if we're going to hit to the lows, I think it's a good short to be had, at least for this little move right here. If the ending diagonal is forming. Now, let's zoom in real quick. And, you know, before we zoom in, actually, my goal with these trades, guys, I'm taking BTC to around 100K, TPing on the way up. Solana, I'm taking to like 150, 160 range, TPing on the way up. That's the target right now. We'll see where BTC is at when Solana gets up here. But that's the idea. That's the trade idea. Now, hey, if you guys want to trade on BitUnix, this is BitUnix, one of my 2 exchanges that I use. They're no KYC. I use the best 2 no KYC exchanges, BitUnix and Blowfin. BitUnix, if you want to give them a try, I got a link, VIP2, 15% off of their trading fees, which is crazy. And you also get a deposit bonus and trading volume bonus. Right here is their deposit bonus. Here's the trading bonus. You get the bonuses and VIP2 if you use the link pinned in the first comment down below. Use that link. I hook you guys up with the best links. This is BitUnix. I also got a link for Blowfin. We're running a 5K tournament on Blowfin right now. If you click the link, you're entered into that tournament. I put up a 5K tournament, so come take my $5,000 if you want. If you can win that tourney. Let's see what you got over there, baby. Best links right there for you. But yeah, I'm chilling over on BitUnix on this sold position, looking to take this much higher. Let's zoom in and see what our next entries could possibly be for you. If you miss this move up, it's kind of hard to get into a leveraged position right now with where we're at in the wave structure. If you resonate with this idea and you think we're going higher, what's your next opportunity to get in on this sucker? Well, if this is a 1-2 right here, 1-2, then we should hold this trend line. We should be holding this trend line. Do we have a finished 5 waves for another 1 coming down for a 2 and then pushing up? Maybe. I would really be on the lookout for a sweep of this zone right here. I don't want to bust this trend line. It's coming in around 81. I might move stop loss down under this trend line, but wouldn't be a good look if we take out this trend line. Technical invalidation of this idea is down here under this low. It's at about 80K, 79K. It's technical invalidation. But it is looking like a 5 waves has finished. I'm very hesitant and skeptical of that because if I look over on the Solana chart, guys, if I look over on the Solana chart, go on the 5-minute time frame, just to give you a close-up view of this one, I don't really see a 5-wave finished. I just don't see it quite yet. I see 1, 2, maybe that's 3 finished, 4 into 5. I can get down with that. I can get behind that idea. But as of right now, it looks like an unfinished 5 waves. I need to flag out up for 5. And then, hey, I might take a little more profit because we got an ABC here. I want to hedge against some kind of a weird wave structure where we do just correct up and then push down. So I might take a little bit of profit up here on Solana. But I'm really feeling this just continuing its push to the upside. Maybe 140, 142 in this range. Something like that. And, you know, if that's the case, are we going to get this move on BTC? Probably not. BTC should continue its push as well. And quite frankly, guys, this would be a wave 3 of an impulse. So I wouldn't be surprised if we just start hitting no remorse like that. And then find some resistance up here around 95K. And then we can start to put in our wave 4 into 5 up to 100. That's what I'm watching out for. So, you know, as far as entries into this move, would I be shorting this right now? It's not a short that looks good for me. Usually I don't hate the idea of shorting these liquidity sweeps. I don't hate it. But just from a wave structure point of view, it's not something that I'm personally interested in. Even to hedge short right now, it's just not worth it for me. Can this pull back heavily? Sure, but it's really not worth it for me because there's a very real possibility that this thing just zooms. But I would be watching out for a pullback like so into this range. Maybe even just you get something like that right there, a very shallow pullback. 82,400. I mean, that looks great in this fair value gap. Don't hate it, guys. Don't hate it. If you get a move like that, I'd be long in that sucker. Might add to my position if we get a move like that. Again, don't want this trend line to break. But we'll see if we get that. I'll update you guys this weekend's video. Subscribe for daily updates. I really hope you guys get something out of this video. If you do, out of these videos, if you do, smash the like button for me. I see you over in Premium Discord. 20 off is the code for $20 off your first month. And check out BitUnix. All those links are pinned in the first comment down below. Trade safe, everybody. Love you. Bye.